Introducing Chelsea Plank Flooring. Pre-finished solid hardwood floors made right here in the United States. The line consists of domestic species of oak, hickory, ash, maple, and sometimes walnut. The planks are milled in a 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch pattern or a 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch pattern depending on the collection you choose. Chelsea Plank offers a selection of clean grade hardwoods or rustic grade hardwoods, and they have a large, extensive collection of colors to choose from. Here at Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply, we have been offering Chelsea Plank flooring for the past 20 years, and it's our #1 choice for pre-finished solid hardwood floors. Visit one of our 3 Valley locations to find out which Chelsea floor is right for your home. Thank you for watching, and learn more at azwood.com.